As a busy realtor in Pittsburgh, I'm always around town checking out new businesses, restaurants, and fun things to do. I want to share with you my favorite places and things to do in the South Hills. I'm Shelley Killinger with the Shelley Killinger Group at RE/MAX CSI, and this is South Hills Saturdays. Hey everyone, happy South Hills Saturdays. Today we are in the heart of Bethel Park at Vilka Bistro, which is one of Bethel Park's newest restaurants, and I'm here with Ed Schwartz, who is the owner of Vilka Bistro. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you so much for having us by today.
Sure.
That's
Absolutely.
awesome. So I have to say the atmosphere here is unlike anything I've ever seen in Bethel. So tell me a little bit about where the inspiration came from and kind of what you got going on.
Well, the inspiration came from living in various places. I grew up in New York, Maryland. I lived in Miami for a little bit. So really we wanted to bring that LA, South Beach, Miami look to the suburbs, to Bethel Park. And that's really what we tried to do.
Well, I think you've accomplished it. So why Bethel Park? Why did you choose this community?
Honestly, the reason why we chose here was because we really wanted to be more so very local.
Yeah.
We didn't want to have to go downtown. We didn't want to go to Mount Washington. We really wanted for people to enjoy great food in a local environment and just an absolute great atmosphere for everybody. Yeah.
So the next question is, for all of this, what kind of price point are we talking about? What can guests expect?
Champagne taste on a beer budget.
I love that.
Yep.
That's the quote of the day. Champagne taste on a beer budget.
You know, people walk in, and the biggest misconception is people walk in and think that we're pricey, and we're not. We want to make sure that we have the look of upscale fine dining.
Yeah.
But it's really affordable. Our lunches are anywhere between $8 to $12, and then our dinners are anywhere between I want to say 15 to the highest. The most expensive item is our filet, 8-ounce filet, which is $29.
Oh my goodness!
So
that's
it's great,
ridiculously affordable. Yeah.
Kids eat free on Mondays. So I mean, we want people to come in and enjoy us throughout the week. It's not just perfect for mom and dad to bring the kids, mom and dad for date night. Those young couples up there looking for love. Right here, happy hour. That's right, 5 to 7, happy hour at the bar.
Oh, I love that. Well, thank you so much for chatting with us today. But I think we're going to make some crab cakes, right?
Yes, we are.
Well, you tell me I'm going to make crab cakes.
Yes,
we'll
you
see
are.
how they turn out. I don't know.
Absolutely.
Well, awesome. Well, let's go on back, I guess,
Let's
right?
go. Absolutely.
Yeah? Okay.
So, but we wanted to show you that all of our crab meat that actually goes into it, which is huge, very little filler in there at all.
Yeah.
Because we really want you to get the full taste of the actual crab cake, the actual crab meat. Almost a pound of crab meat.
Yeah, it's hot.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and cook them up.
Okay.
And as soon as they're ready,
And we
we'll
get to
enjoy.
taste them.
We get to taste them.
I'm so excited.
All
Thank you
right.
for showing us around.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. Hey, Tracy, you are teaching me how to make a pomegranate martini, right?
Absolutely.
Do you understand that I have never been behind a bar before,
That's
so this
okay.
might be a bit of a challenge.
No worries.
I love it. Thank
That's
you
it.
very
You're
much.
welcome. Now you get to drink it.
Yes, I'm super excited. Well, guys, the chef's in the kitchen topped off my masterpiece, we'll call it. These are my crab cakes. Underneath is a roasted shallot risotto, and on top they put a sriracha aioli. I cannot wait to try this. So, oh, and my pomegranate martini too. So let's give it a try. Absolutely amazing. Guys, you have to come down here and check out Vilka Bistro. The food is phenomenal. I can't wait to try that drink. For more information on Vilka Bistro, their hours, their menu, all of their social media handles, Definitely check out the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.